And back here again, sharing more from Be Excellent on Purpose, Intentional Strategies for Impactful Leadership by Sinead Bell. This is book one in the new Lead Forward series, just launched. We're so excited about it. I'm giving you some glimpses at it today. So, you've seen the cover, and I've shared some content from inside, maybe some quotes, some images, things like that. One of the things that I really wanted to emphasize here is this Lead Forward journal. It's a super feature that we know is going to benefit readers and educators, teacher leaders. So this is the Lead Forward journal, and this appears at the end of each chapter in Be Excellent on Purpose. So I'm just going to show you what this looks like. And you see here, this is chapter 6. Identify your bias. Here, Sinead Bell has shared a link to an assessment. This is really awesome, and you can go and you can take a look at this bias test, and then she, in the journal, gives you some sentence stems, questions, things to think about. Imagine if you were in a book study, the power of this Lead Forward journal. These appear at the end of all chapters of Be Excellent on Purpose. Check it out today. I think you're going to love it.